Welcome to today's program where we will be discussing medical coding jobs. Medical coding is a critical process in the healthcare industry that involves translating medical procedure and diagnosis into a code that is used for billing and insurance purposes. Medical coding professional plays an essential role in ensuring that healthcare providers are properly reimbursed for their services. Let's dive into what medical coding jobs entail. What is medical coding? Medical coding is the process of assigning a code to a medical procedure or diagnosis. These codes are used for billing purposes and they ensure that healthcare providers are properly reimbursed for their services. Medical coding is a complex and highly detailed process that requires a deep understanding of medical terminology, anatomy, and disease processes. Types of medical coding jobs. There are several types of medical coding jobs, including inpatient coding, outpatient coding, and professional fees coding. Inpatient coder works in hospital and are responsible for coding procedure and diagnosis for patients who have been admitted to the hospital. Outpatient coders works in clinics and are responsible for coding procedure and diagnosis for patients who have received outpatient care. Professional fees coder works with physicians and are responsible for coding their professional services. Education and training. To become a medical coder, you typically need a post-secondary education in medical coding or related field. Many employers prefer candidates who have earned a certificate in medical coding. In addition, most medical coding jobs require certification from a professional organization such as American Academy of Professional Coders (AAPC) or the American Health Information Management Association. Skills required. Medical coding job requires excellent analytical and critical thinking skills, attention to detail and deep understanding of medical terminology and anatomy. Coders must also have strong communication skill and be able to work effectively with healthcare providers, insurance companies, and patients. Job outlook and salary. The job outlook for medical coder is strong with a projected growth rate of 8% from 2019 to 2029. The average salary for medical coder is around $44,000 per year, although this varies depending on experience and education and allocation. And there you have it, an overview of medical coding jobs. These jobs are critical in ensuring that healthcare providers are properly reimbursed for their services, and they require a high level of skill and attention to detail. If you are interested in pursuing a career in medical coding, consider obtaining a certificate or degree in medical coding and pursuing certification from a professional organization like the AAPC or AHIMA.